Hello, right, so this is a quick update on everything that's new with NerdVision. So if you've not already noticed, we've got a brand new UI that's been built up from the ground up. So it's more responsive, can work across a wider range of devices, and we've got full support for themes now. So you've got a light theme, you've got a dark theme, and you've also got a purple theme. And the team is super happy to be showing you this. So let's dive into what we've got on offer. Right, so first up is what you can see is improvements to the search. So if you go to the search bar and type Docker, okay, and you can see there the search is super quick. That's searching live in your GitLab or GitHub repository. Okay, so now we're back to where we were. So what you can see is opening of the file trees is much quicker and easier to do in NerdVision. And then what also we've got is in the code section, you can move around these tabs, which you previously couldn't do. So that's super quick and looks brilliant. Okay, after that, what we have is improvements to the code here and also improvements to setting trace points. So what you can see is a brand new UI. Every time you click a trace point now, it comes up with this dialog with the advanced options, so you can choose what you want. You can also set as default, which will save the parameters you want, and then hit save, and you're good to go. Okay, next up is the panel on the right-hand side, where you get to see the snapshots and the trace points. So this was previously at the bottom of the screen, but now it's at the top right. So what you can see is the snapshots, so we can click into a snapshot, and then we go into the variables, and it's just much easier and cleaner to see all these variables, and you can click through into the part of the code that you really want to see. Okay, so when a new snapshot comes in, what you'll see is this bar up at the top flashing to alert you that there's been a new snapshot or trace point fired. Coming over to the trace points, what you can see is that we now have improved visibility on the trace points you set per repository. Okay, finally, what we have in this view is a lot improvements to a log. So what you can see is a new log. We can order it by last or newest. You can also show older logs if you had that option. And finally, what you can also do is pause or start your logs coming in. Finally, what you'll also see is support for new themes. So if we go here, we go to Profile and Themes, you can see we've got the light theme. You can see we've got the purple theme. And finally, what you can see is we've also got the dark theme. And like you can see, this is a super quick, super clean way in the UI. What you can also do is resize these windows. So we can open and make that bigger or smaller. So as you can see, everything is fully responsive. And that's it for the quick update of the NerdVision UI.